Today I will show you how to create a basic hover animation for text or any other element. So first let's add a section and let's give it some padding. So now we will add a text block actually interactive text. Now, if we want to add hover animation to this text, what we need to do is click on the element, and first we need to give it a class. Let's call it text, just text, and let's give it some styling. Let's say 25 pixels, 30 pixels height, and now what we need to do is click here on arrow and go hover, and now you can do any styling you want, which will show after you hover over the text. So let's say red color, or actually let's go blue. Okay, this blue color. And now, and also let's give it a bold, and let's give it italic styling. Okay, that's it. Now when you hover over this text, you will have a different styling, you see. And to give it like a smooth transition, what we can do is go to transitions, click here, type all properties, and give it 300 milliseconds. And now when you hover it, it has like a smooth transition. And now if you want to change the styling, or after you hover it, you can click on hover and change it. Let's remove this italic style and let's give it a different color, let's say purple. And now when you hover, it's different. That's it.